Look at that view. Cool. All right, let me get this in neutral. Rampage. Anyway, here's the moment we've all been waiting for. At least I've been particularly waiting for. The Dyna Wide Glide is back in commission. Okay, like I said before, it's been in the shop getting some upgrades done to it. And if you follow me and see my other videos, you'll see that I've upgraded these bars. I've upgraded the seat, and I've also got a new paint job. Okay, the paint is very similar to the same color that it was before, but it used to have these little tribal decals on there, which are pretty nice. I like them. But there's another story. There's another story on this paint job that I'll get to in a moment. Okay, but let me go ahead and update you on the ape hangers that I had installed on here. I hope you guys like them. These bars are the factory 47 18-inch Nomad handlebars, and this is one of the things that I've wanted to do first for this bike, is to replace the stock 10-inch bars with something a little bit higher. A little bit is an understatement, actually. This is a lot higher than it was before, but they still feel great. And oh, I also got these new grips. These are Kuryakin grips. I think they're called the industrial, I can't remember the name, but I'll put the name of it on the video so that you guys can check them out if you're interested in those. Okay, so these are the 18-inch factory 47 Nomads. I absolutely love them. I've gone around and around trying to decide which bars that I've wanted for this bike, and these ones are just so unique. When I first saw them, I just knew that this was the set for this bike. What I like most about them is that right here, the width is right even with the forks of the motorcycle. And then over here on the side, you see that the angle kind of matches the rake, almost matches the rake of this motorcycle, but then it bends up. Okay, bends straight up, and then it kind of flares out to the side some. So this is very similar to the bars that I have on my Street Glide, which is the 14-inch Assault. Just because of the fairing on that motorcycle, it too kind of comes out and bends up, but you don't really notice it unless you're up close. But in this case, that detail is very much loud and proud, basically. It's right in your face, you can't miss it. I think it's a detail that is actually really makes this bike stand out. And there's a lot of other handlebars that I've seen that look really great on motorcycles, but when I found these ones, I was sold. I just had to get these, and I think it really dresses this motorcycle up quite a bit. These are the wheels that I have. I do not know what those are. I bought the motorcycle with those wheels, and I tried looking all over online to see what company makes them and what model, what design they are. I couldn't find them anywhere. If anybody knows, please leave a comment on the video. That would really help out, because I've had some people asking me what those are, and I reluctantly had to tell them I don't know, because I bought the motorcycle with them. Let me go ahead and talk a little bit about the paint. Okay, so the paint job I wasn't planning on doing just yet. What happened was, when I was getting these bars installed, because I actually did the work myself on this, I pulled the wires through, got them connected to the harness. Okay, got the throttle and idle cables, brake line, clutch. I got those all connected, And one thing I wasn't too confident about my work was the adjustments, like making here, clutch, stuff like that. I don't do any wrenching on my bike. This is kind of a project that I wanted to do. So my thought was I'll get everything connected and in place, and then I'll have the motorcycle towed over to a nearby shop, and I'll have a professional actually dial everything in for me. Okay. And so I called a tow truck service, and they came out and they're pulling the bike onto the flatbed. And when the driver was cinching down the straps to get it secured, he didn't have it down, he didn't have it connected right, and as he was ratcheting the straps, it pulled the bike over, and it completely it really crunched the side of this tank up quite a bit. So that kind of set me back a little bit, but fortunately the insurance did take care of the cost for damages. They did not total this bike out. So I'm really happy about that, because I'm glad that I have it back. This was my first motorcycle and I did not want to lose it. So I took it over to another place who did the body work. That place is called Dyna Joe's here in Fresno, California. If anybody's here in Fresno watching this and wants some body work done, or even just motorcycle work done, take it over there. He did a bang up job on this body work, got it all fixed up, looks great. And you know what, I still need to actually get this final cut and polished, but he had it done quick too. I mean, he was really super fast about getting this work done on it. I mean, I was amazed. So yeah, in any case, there's actually a part 2 to this project, this paint project that I want to have done for it. It will be like a custom paint design, and he gave me an estimate on that, which is really not too far out of reach for me. So I'll probably have him paint this again with the paint scheme that I have picked out a little later on in the future. But right now I'm actually having a really good time just getting back on this bike, riding it around, cruising my favorite streets over here out in the foothills. It is absolutely beautiful. See, there's some other passerbys that like to just stop and kind of check things out too. You see a lot of cars over here parked, pulled over, taking pictures. I can't really blame them. This street is actually the first street me and my dad rode on when I got my license. He took me up this way and said it's really cool, nice winding roads, not a lot of cars, and you don't have to worry about going fast or anybody tailing you or anything like that. So yeah, so when I first rode on this road, I was only going maybe like 30-40 miles an hour, which is it's pretty slow by a lot of people's standards, but I was learning, but now I'm a lot more familiar with these roads, and I'm doing like 50, sometimes 60 on these roads now. So it's just absolutely great road to ride on. When these hills are green with green grass, it's even more spectacular. So I can see it starting to turn green again already, just because of the time of the year that it is. All right, but in any case, that's the update that I have for this bike. 1999 Dyna Wide Glide, 88 cubic inch motor. Custom bike's my first one. I can't get rid of it yet, but I am super happy with the way the changes came out. So yeah, if you like what you see, please give it a like, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from Nerd on Harleys. All right, and until next time guys, ride safe, and I'll see you on the road. Okay, all right, take it easy, peace.